Welcome back to Python RPA. In today's lesson, we will review the web element get attribute activity card and the get text card. Let's get started. The web element get attribute card allows us to get the attribute of a web element on the screen. We specify the element's XPath. Afterwards, we can get the value of the needed attribute. What does the attribute consist of? For example, if we take a look at this link, aside from the ID which we have specified in the XPath, we also have other parameters like class, link, title, and text, which we have to get with the help of the getText activity. If we have to get the value of the title, for example, or some other parameter, we have to use this particular card. The delay specifies the wait time before the activity executes and after. The driver does not have to be specified if the card comes after a card where the driver has already been specified, where it is inherited from. The name field has to be filled out with the name of the attribute which we have to check. Let's try to run this bot. Say we have to get the value of the class attribute of this link. We have specified the element's ID in the XPath field. Let's try to run this bot. It will get the required parameter and then enter it into the notepad. As we can see, the bot extracted the required attribute and entered it into the notepad. When we specify the name in the activity card, we do not use quotation marks. How do we handle the value that gets extracted? Any card has an ID, and we can refer to this ID in the following way. We enter the card ID and surround it with curly brackets and % signs. This way, we can get the element's attribute throughout the bot. The getText activity card gets text from a web element. As in other cards, the element is identified with the help of the XPath in the first field of the card. Delays specify the wait time before the activity starts and after. You could specify a longer wait time before the activity starts if you are waiting for a pop-up window, for example. The driver field specifies the path to the driver. It is not necessary to specify it if the card is preceded by the Open Browser card or the Open URL card. In other words, if you connect the getText card to other cards which contain the driver path, or they in fact inherit the driver path. We can, for example, connect the getText card directly to the Open Browser card. Now, let's start this bot. The bot allows us to get the text from a web element, then open Notepad and insert the text there. Let's check the XPath first. As we can see, this XPath is related to the link download as PDF. Let's run the bot. The driver will load first, then the page, and at last the bot enters the elements text into Notepad. Alright, let's review the lesson. The web element getAttribute activity card extracts a specified attribute of a web element. The getText activity card extracts web elements text. Well, thank you for watching this video and come back for more lessons on Python RPA.